Hello kids. Let's learn alphabets. A is for apple. A is for apple. B is for ball. B is for ball. C is for cat. C is for cat. D is for dinosaur. D is for dinosaur. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F is for fire truck. F is for fire truck. G is for garden. G is for garden. H is for house. H is for house. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. J is for jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. K is for kite. K is for kite. L is for lion. L is for lion. M is for moon. M is for moon. N is for nest. N is for nest. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. P is for panda. P is for panda. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. S is for sun. T is for train. T is for train. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for volcano. V is for volcano. W is for whale. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. Y is for yacht. Y is for yacht. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.